Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a YouTube creator looking to keep things private or focus on your content without the numbers game, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube in 2025. This simple tweak can help maintain your privacy and reduce any pressure from public metrics. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account on a desktop or laptop. It's easier from there. Head over to YouTube Studio by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This will take you to a sub-menu. Select Channel, and then Advanced Settings, or Privacy and Visibility. YouTube's interface might have slight updates in 2025, but it should be straightforward. In this section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Hide Subscriber Count. It's a simple toggle switch, just turn it on to enable the feature. You may need to hit Save or Confirm to apply the changes. That's it for the main steps. Now, to verify, go back to your channel page and refresh it. Your subscriber count should no longer be visible to the public. If you're using the YouTube mobile app, the process is similar. Tap your profile icon, go to Your Channel, then Settings, and look for the same privacy options. Remember, hiding your subscriber count won't affect your channel's performance, analytics, or ability to grow. It's purely for your peace of mind. This feature is great for new creators or those dealing with online scrutiny. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.